After spending 3 amazing days in exploring Puri, Bhubaneswar, and Konark, now it was time to go to Chilika. Most of the travelers go to either Satapada, Barikul, or Rambha to visit and stay by Chilika, but we wanted to do something offbeat and stay at a less crowded place. So decided to go to Swosti Chilika Resort, which is a private property at Alapur and far from mainstream spot. So folks, we have reached the Swosti Chilika Resort. We are quite late though. We started from Konarak and it took 3.5 hours. It is already 3:30. Thank you. And now we are going to reception for check-in. And let's see whether we can do the boating now.
After the easy check-in process, we went straight to the room to drop our luggages. The room was very cozy and well maintained, looked really premium.
So folks, we just had our lunch. We were very hungry. The food was quite good, very tasty. From 5 o'clock they have a boating tour. It's already 4:30. We need to take a coupon from reception. So it's a 45 minutes to 1 hour program. Otherwise you can rent a private boat for your own, but this will be more of kind of a conducted tour or a group tour. So friends, we got our coupons for boating and now going towards the jetty point. Yeah, thank you very much. So we had to pay 600 rupees per head for the boat ride, and it includes complimentary snack, tea, coffee and other stuff. That's our boat. Chilika is the largest brackish water lagoon in the world, and with more than 3,500 square kilometers of catchment area, it really looks like a sea. It is also the largest wintering ground for migratory birds in the Indian subcontinent, and during winter season draws attention of bird watchers from around the globe. All along the cruise, we were accompanied by these cute seagulls, as if they wanted to guide us to the best place to see the sunset. Unlike Satapara, you don't get to see dolphins here, but the experience of sunset cruise was simply amazing. So after coming from the boat ride, we took shower. It's a very long and tiring day. So we are heading towards the resto and see if we get something refreshing. We anchored ourselves in the harbor for some you know what. Very good morning, friends, from Swosti Chilika Resort, and now we are going for our breakfast. After that, we'll try to explore the resort a little bit, and then we'll start our drive towards Bangalore. So some people like butter with their toast, some people like jam, and I like both. We had a nice breakfast, really fulsome. They had a lot of options, both Indian, continental. So it was really good. Now we are roaming a little bit inside the property for whatever little time we have. Wow, this is a really good property. I mean, really premium.
Friends, if you are enjoying this video, then do us a favor by clicking the like button so that YouTube recommends it to more number of viewers.
We found Swosti Chilika Resort. Absolutely wonderful place to stay. The rooms are premium. The property is very well maintained with all modern facilities. The food is lip smacking and service is top notch. If you are looking for a luxury offbeat stay by Chilika, then Swosti Resort is highly recommended. Wow, this looks wonderful. Right from the lawn itself, you have this magnificent view of this huge Chilka lake. Very peaceful, very tranquil.
So friends, that's all we have today. If you have enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a like, share with your friends and post it on your Facebook wall. If you want to be part of our future travel stories, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. We are going to meet very soon. Until then, stay safe and stay happy.